Hello, this is Melody, the massage therapist, and Bella and I are baking with Bella. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay, so I'm really sad because we're missing Kayla and we're missing Sammy, but Kayla's working and Sammy wants to spend time with her mom. I get it, but we have Eli doing the camera. Thank you, Eli. All right, today, super simple pancake. It's eggs. Okay, 6 eggs, 2 cups of oatmeal, and 2 cups of cottage cheese. My cousin told me about it, and so it is. It's gluten-free, right?
Yeah. So, I think we should crack it in here so we can get all the shells out. Here's what
I just do it like this.
I usually just
You have to do it quickly.
I usually crack it in a cup so I can get all the shells out.
Okay. So I'm using my 33-year-old fancy blender. I'm just joking. It's so not a fancy blender.
No, it's not. Sorry,
but you know how people have these fancy blenders? I don't have one. But that's okay. I don't need one because I have this.
Yeah, we used to actually have one like that, but...
Did you get eggshells in yours?
Not like 2, that's it.
Okay. So 6 eggs. Uh-oh.
Okay, it's a gross job getting the shells out, but it's worth it because you do not want shells.
Did you get the shells out? Okay.
Yep, I got all the shells out.
Awesome. I'm going to pour it in.
But you should always wash your hands after. So.
Yeah, working with eggs. Okay, so 6 eggs, 2 cups. Okay, so this is really important. Oops, sorry, that was
Don't break the kitchen.
super loud. It's super important to put the oatmeal next.
I'm pouring
So pour the oatmeal in.
all of it?
All of it, because it's 2 cups of, oh, and it's the long cook oatmeal. Oops, minus a tablespoon. Oh, Bella, you are so funny.
I know, I'm a strange little child.
It's all good. Okay, 1.
I'm trying to feed myself.
2 cups of cottage cheese on top. So now,
Oh, this is gonna look so gross.
oh my gosh, right? So now you push gentle. Let's see. Just push any button.
Lead.
Push.
That's not very at all.
And you whip it up. Let's get a spoon. Okay, so now we're gonna smush it down a little bit.
Ew.
Ew.
It looks so gross.
Thank you, Tracy, for sharing your fun recipe with me.
Okay.
So you take pour a little piece.
so-
That's a lot. That's like a really big pancake. Hold on.
I can eat it.
So what you're gonna do with these kind of pancakes is they don't do the little bubbles like other pancakes do.
Yeah. It's a little weird.
It's super big. It's all
Because
good.
you spraying it out.
Hold on. It poured out really fast, didn't it? So you have to wait. So we already turned the griddle on.
Oh, even small as a
Little
finger?
pancakes.
Did you say pancakes?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. They're pancakes,
Oh my
guys.
gosh, we should have made fun pancakes. Let's get the spoon.
Oh, look at that. Looks like 4 + 1 equals 5.
We'll make a Mickey Mouse pancake.
We should do that, actually.
We should. We will.
Because we have
So this is the deal. With these pancakes, they don't...
Actually, I think we have some chocolate chips for the eyes.
Ooh, you want to go get them?
I'll get them in a second. You're on flipping duty. Mola.
Okay.
They're probably down there.
So with real pancakes, normal pancakes, you wait till they bubble up. But these aren't going to bubble up.
Yep.
You just have to watch for them to get baked.
Oh, it looks so
And I know it's baking with Bella, and we're technically just cooking, aren't we, Bella?
Yeah, okay. Excuse me. I have the chocolate chips here.
Go ahead. Eyes away. Bye. Okay, let's check this. Uh-oh.
No.
It's kind of sticking, isn't it? Sometimes the first pancakes don't turn out as well.
First is the worst.
Yes.
Second is the best. Third gets golden treasure chest.
3rd and 4th do what?
Third gets his golden treasure chest.
You guys are great.
Fourth, I think chocolate chips are the smileys. Okay, I think these little ones are ready to flip.
You think?
Maybe
Okay, let's
not.
just look at a corner of it.
It's like sticky. Oh, yep, I'm ready.
Nicely done.
Perfect flip.
It won't come off the spatula.
It won't come off the spatula.
Here, watch.
Wait, we
We'll
put
take
the...
another spatula.
That's gonna be like the worst pancake that we're gonna make today. Yeah.
It's all good.
We're all good.
It will still taste good. Okay, we have to check on this really big one.
You guys should make a gingerbread man
Okay, so
out of the mix.
oh, nope, not ready yet. It's not ready.
Oh, it does make some bubbles.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like right there.
Oh, maybe that one's ready. There we go.
Oh, perfect flip.
Nice.
One of them kind
flip.
of looks like a gingerbread man. You guys should make a gingerbread man out of the mix.
I think we were good out of the mix.
Yeah, actually, we can use some cookie cutters and shape them inside of the cookie cutters.
Oh, yes.
I'm a genius child.
You
I'm a strange
are.
child.
Anyways, this is how it works. I guess it does make a little bubble.
Yeah. They make tiny
It's
bubbles.
not ready yet.
Not have a fun breakfast.
Thank you for listening, watching, whatever it is.
Both, yeah. Have a fun breakfast.
Happy baking.
Bye.
Well, cooking.
Cooking. Bye.
Happy eating.
Oh, Happy New Year.
Hey, yes, it's a new year. So it's January 3rd, 2018.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Wait.
Wait, we have to say bye.
Wait, I'll say bye too. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Wait, really loud.
Bye. Okay.
Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Very cool.
Okay.
Just leave it there. You have to leave it there for a little bit.
I think I put a little too much in there. It just made like a fat pancake.
It's all good.
Well, you guys like the video? Yeah.
Hey, we have to check out these pancakes.
Yeah. Yeah, you should check them out.
Oh, can I have another plate?
I would like a tiny bite. Here. Here. Woo.
Just in case you don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Oh, we're kids.
Because it doesn't have any syrup or butter on it. Maybe that's why.
That's true. I'm gonna like lift it up now. Don't fall apart. Ah!
We're making a mess, aren't we?
Looks kind of like a leaf. Looks kind of like a leaf.
Does it?
It works. Looks like a leprechaun leaf when they
It's
failed.
starting to like
Mushy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
blend. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, what's a pancake without chocolate chip? Oh, have you ever tried strawberries inside of your pancake?
Mmm, yum. That would be delicious.
Actually, no, I've had it before. It's really good. I'm thinking, what would it taste like if you put mangoes inside of it?
I'm not a big mango person.
Well, I can't have pineapple, so mango's the closest thing.
Oh,
to
you
it.
can't have pineapple. That's right.
Yeah, I'm allergic.
I love pineapple.
Makes me so sad.